Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. This is the login screen. Here the salesperson will log in first. Enter his username and password, and then click login. So in inventory, we can view the list of items. We can reorder if we want to add the quantity. So now I'm going to reorder oil, the item named oil. So I'm clicking on the reorder button. First, I should choose a vendor. Then I should enter the quantity. Can also choose tax by clicking on the tax. To show the total, subtotal, tax. Then I click on reorder. Purchase order is created. Once it's synced to the QB, the oil's quantity will be updated quantity will be shown here. The old quantity is 1. So I think I entered 5. So after syncing, the quantity should be 6. Nyanraj, can you do a sync now? Actually, sync is automatic. For demo purpose, we are now manually syncing to quickly check the updated data. So now you can see oil's quantity is changed to 6. Now let's show customers. We can also add new customers or view existing customers. We can update their details. For example, it will get updated. I will show adding a new customer. So the newly added customer is appearing here, Kumarian. So once this is synced to QB, this new customer will be displayed in QB. Now I'll show order entry. First, the user should choose the customer. Choosing Kumar. The customer details will be displayed on the top left. Now I'll choose an item. I'll choose oil. I'll enter quantity as 5. can also add select tags. Choose add another item. Post the order now. Add another order. So on my orders, we can see in today's date, I think this one. I entered oil. It's added. The print invoice option will also work, but need a Bluetooth printer, US printer to test it. I tested with the emulator. Nyanraj, can you do a sync and show the data, these data in Cube?
Yes.
Please share your screen.
Are you able to see my screen?
Not it. Yeah, now we can see. Can you share your screen again, Yanraj?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can see you straight now.
This is the mobile Vincels desktop app. For having customer and item sales, customers which they are created from mobile. For the list of customers, and the screens for the list of items. It's a new screen. The screen which they created from order entry from mobile device. This is a purchase order which they are created from mobile. Initially, we need to configure the QB settings. First, we need to configure this QB. Click the verify button. Once we save, we can sync the data manual or schedule process. Now I sync the data manually. Data will go to QB. Purchase order. this order created from the sync tool. Invoices. Three. We have a log screen to see the application log only. Error log.
Varun, do you have any questions on this demo?
As of now, it is okay.
Okay.
So it's a basic module as of now. We have to test in real time. Testing is required because validations are very important. I mean, like, for example, if we are adding the customers, the number of characters on the customer name as per the QuickBooks restriction. And I think the tax module is not working properly. I think, I'm not sure. I maybe I did not see. Like we have selected one item with the 20% tax, I think. It was synced without tax. So I'm not sure. So this validations and all, we have to test it. But the workflow is okay, that's fine. But there will be some changes. One major module, maybe I did not mention in the requirement document, return, customer return, you know, that is also very important. It's a credit note to the customer. One module.
Okay.
And there should be one dashboard, admin dashboard for the van users, so that they can see the reports like day by sales, sales by van user. There should be some summarized report kind of thing. This tax part, we have to test in real time with the UK version and US version. And the scheduler also, we have to give an option where the user can resync some of the transactions. If it is there is some error, so there should be some option to select the transactions based on the date range. Let's say for last 2 days I want to resync. There are some points actually. We can test it in real time and then we can share some feedback. But as of now, it looks okay. That's fine. The I mean, like we have to keep some other things in mind. Like if it is going to sync with the QuickBooks Enterprise, then there will be like vans will be created as a warehouse. So we have to transfer the inventory to the vans, and accordingly, we have to take care of it. But if it is a Premier and Pro version of UK and US, there will be no warehouse module. So it will be treated as a single warehouse. And users also, validations and dashboard.
Okay.
There might be some other modules which we can like we can consider as a change request for the next release, like route creation for the van sales and daily activities and all. but as of now it is okay. Like what was the purpose? It is good to go. Only thing is validation. We have to check whether the VAT is working, sales tax is working, and the all numbering of sales invoices while posting to the QuickBooks it is working. Those things we have to test it.
Right. So we are still about to, release it for UAT. So it is yet
Yeah.
to complete the QA process. And regarding the tax, since this is a demo company file, the tax is not enabled in this file. So that is why you are not able to see the tax.
I'm not sure, there was something happened. I noticed actually. Maybe tax is enabled actually. There is a tax enabled in the QuickBooks. But anyway, it's okay. It's fine.
Yeah.
And when like it users will be synchronized with the QuickBooks users, right? For audit log.
Can you please be more specific?
I mean the users who like created in the van sales, how it is syncing with the, like it is going to the sales representative field
Okay.
while posting to the QuickBooks.
Actually, only customers are created in the mobile app right now.
As of now, customers are created.
Yes.
Okay, so we have to consider this also, like van users should be created a sales representative at least, if not the user, so that at least in the QuickBooks we can track sales by van users.
Okay.
Scheduler also you can see in the dashboard. When we have to create dashboard for admin user for the van sales, at least for the daily sales summary and creating the users and all.
Okay.
And important module, which I think it will take some time to develop it, this credit for the customer return, sales return.
Yes, the customer return should be developed both in the mobile app as well as in this desktop sync too.
And this sync, like it works in a offline mode, right? So
yes, so once it connects to internet, then it would sync up, or user can manually do a sync up once network is back for the mobile app.
yeah, and one more, like you can take as a uh, requirement or anything, like while printing the invoices there should be an option to print, and there should be an option to email as well. So sometimes, on the move they will not take printout, they will send an email directly to the customer.
All right, okay. We will implement the share option. So the default file sharing options in the mobile will get displayed.
As of now, it is okay, Sanjeev. There should be a lot of validation. I know, like it will take some time for UAT, but something to start, it's good. No problem.
All right, okay. Yeah, so we will work on the feedback points and also on the QA process, and we will keep you posted on this one.
Yeah. And one more thing, last thing, sorry. This while syncing to the QuickBooks, it is syncing the items from the QuickBooks, right? So is it syncing all the items or only inventory part?
Okay, so for now it should be only inventory part. Do you want to sync all of the items?
Yeah, because yes, because sometimes they might be selling the finished product if it is a manufacturing company, or maybe we are like I think we will get more customers from the service industry, like this kind of urban clap, they are
Yes.
doing services, home services and all, so it should be there.
All right, okay.
Okay then, thank you, Sanjeev.
Yeah, thanks Varun. Thanks for your time today. We'll keep you posted on that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you,
Take
team.
care. Yeah.
Thank you.